Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, have you guys tried your doubts which you had in last class?
No, sir.
So,
Sir, I tried. It's just a minus mistake.
minus mistake, yes. Okay. So, till 3F we have done everything as of now. Correct? We have done taken your doubts also. So, till 3F, nothing left out. Yes, Vidyut, you have something?
Sir, not in 3F, sir. NCRT. So that
NCRT,
exercise.
I'll take doubts
Yes,
of
sir.
NCRT.
Yes, sir.
Let's first finish RS one. So till 3F, everything is clear to each of you. I mean, there's no doubt at all. Correct? So last exercise, that is 3G, which I'll give you concept, the identity I'll give you. Then we'll solve few questions, and then you can rest. Only 25 questions are there, which we can solve. You can solve it. So this is the last identity of this chapter, and it says identity is plus yq plus zq minus 3xyz is equals to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So this is an identity which you have to remember. How to remember that you have to figure out. This is, correlations. You can make your own correlations to remember this. That is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay. So proving part, that is very tiring, and it's of in class 9 nobody will ask, but still I will tell you, not now. First we'll do few questions based on this. Proving is not required to know, but still I will tell you, but not now.
Sir, in this identity, instead of minus 3xy, if it is plus xy, then it will become plus xy plus yz plus zx.
That you will have no. That you will have to derive it. Tarun. You remember in x cube plus y cube minus was there, correct?
Yes, sir.
How that minus came, I told you. You have to, for cancelling and all. So for
Yeah.
that also you'll have to derive it. But let's focus on this one first. Plus xyz will not come as of now. So let's focus on this. So I'll do few questions both side. I mean from here to here and here to here. Just remember, listen. Question based on this first one I'll take. 2x minus y plus 3z into 4x square plus y square plus 9z square plus 2xy plus 3yz minus 6xz. So if we can write it like, if uh, y and x y y z and z and then x. So satisfying condition, but here it is not satisfying condition, right? Here it is not satisfying condition. So what does this mean? So there will be plus 2xy plus 2yz plus okay. So
So it's
2x
minus y, right?
minus
Minus
y, minus y. I'll make it minus right here. This minus, this minus, plus minus, plus take it 2x square, y square, z square, 2x y plus 2x
So
y.
it's
Question is, okay, yes. So this is minus, this becomes minus. Now z or x3 is plus, 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 minus, it will come. Okay. So now this one. So here can we say that hello, am I audible now?
yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Sir.
So you can see in this, can we take A as 2x, B as minus y, C as 3z? Correct? So 2x,
It's minus
so 2x square plus y square plus 3z square minus 2xy hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Now you're audible.
Audible? Okay. Some
Yes, sir.
problem at my end. Some problem at my end. Okay. And this was, this is minus 6xz. Can we write it like this? Hello.
Sir.
Sir, how, sir?
A, with this statement, I have rewritten this expression in this form. 2x plus minus y plus 3z, bracket starts. 4x square can be written as 2x square plus y square plus 3z square plus xy. This is x. I mean, this is A, this B. Xy, this statement. X square, y square, z square, we have written like this. X square, y square, z square. This is minus xz. Correct? So what is x here? I'll write this as big X. This is
Sir,
by.
I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
How is minus 2xy? It should be plus 2xy, right? Because minus 2x into minus y is plus 2xy.
Where is minus 2xy? Here
In
it
the
is plus 2x, na?
sir, the next step you have written in brackets, right? There, how is it minus
This is minus y.
minus y and then it's minus, right? We have to do minus xy.
Which one? I didn't get Srinidhi. This is 2x into minus y.
Yes, sir. Then the formula is minus xy, which means we are supposed to. It should be in negative. So minus into 2x into minus y will be plus 2xy, right?
Correct. ठीक है. Oh, you are telling this one why you have taken this away, because it is minus here.
Yes, sir.
Correct. ठीक है. Yeah, that's true. This one, so we have to put it. I'll rewrite it, this statement. So first, let's erase this one. I will explain from here how it has happened. So this is the expression. In this expression, this is the expression. In this expression, if we take x is equals to 2x, y big Y is equals to y, and z is minus y, and z is equals to 3z. Okay? So we can write it as 2x plus of minus y plus of 3z. अरे यार श्वेता, hello, am I
So we can
audible?
hear you. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So these three x, y, z is clear. How we can write it? X, y, and z multiply by 2x the whole square. This, that is x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus y z, and then minus zx. Wait. Minus zx. Is this statement clear how I have written? I have taken x is 2x, y is minus y, and z is 3z. So this statement there, if you see the other side, right, RHS, we can write it x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Any doubt here? Anyone has any doubt? Is this one equals to this? Yes, we can add 2x. This can be written as 2x minus y plus 3z, 4x square plus y square plus 9z square plus 2xy plus 3yz minus 6zx, which is this is equals to this one. So this is in the form of identity. So can we write it as 2x cube plus minus y cube 3z cube minus 3 into 2x y 3z. Can we write it like this?
Yes, sir.
Or we can write 8 can write at this as 8x cube minus y cube 27z cube, and here this one will be minus into minus plus 3 to the 6, 6 3 the 18 x y z. This is the answer. Any doubt? Any
So
doubt?
we can take 3 common, right?
From where you will take 3 common?
Sir, 27z cube and 18xyz.
Uh, you want to take this common, right? By
Yeah.
telling that this y cube, in this you can take uh, 3, correct? 3 common, 3z, you can write 9z square plus 6yz. Yes,
Sir, 6xy.
sorry, Alex. Any doubt anyone has in this question? No doubt. Okay. So second question I'll do same thing, x minus 2y minus z x square plus 4y square plus z square plus 2xy minus 2yz plus zx. So again we can see it is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3. So here what will be x? This one. What will be y? Yes, anyone? Ashita, what will be y here?
So 2y.
2y, correct? Anyone has any different answer?
minus 2y.
What will be z?
Minus z.
Ashita, the formula says x plus y plus z. So it should be plus here. So what is, if you write this, you will have to write like this. Correct, Ashita? Not able to hear you, Ashita.
Yes, sir.
So this will be x, this will be y, and this will be z. Z is minus z. Understood? So can we write it like this? X minus 2y minus z x square plus 2y square plus z square minus x is what? X is x and minus 2y minus yz y z minus z x. Is it equals to this? Let's see. This is yes, x square plus 4y square plus z square plus 2xy minus 2yz plus zx. Is it matching? Yes. So this is correct. And you know what is Ashita? Ashita,
Yes, sir.
tell me. You have written this. Now what? Next.
So you have to write down the.
Yes, anybody? Just raise your hand. Raise your hand. Yes, Tarun.
Sir, now we will write is at x square.
X square. Okay.
I mean x cube, sorry, x cube, sir.
Okay, so x cube.
Minus 2y the whole cube, which is 8 by
So
the whole cube.
step by step plus minus 2y the whole
Whole
cube.
cube. Then again it is plus bracket start z minus z the whole cube, then again it is plus 3
Plus nahi minus.
minus 3 into x into minus 2y into minus z
Very good. So this will be x cube.
cube plus
Mi-
8.
This
So,
will be minus, na?
yes, a minus.
This will be minus
Yes.
z cube minus minus minus. So minus
Minus.
6xy z.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
In this exercise, you have 5 types of question. This is the first type. So next question I will give you. Understood? Anyone has any doubt in any
No,
of the
sir.
step? Please ask me. Nobody has doubt.
Sir, just have a doubt generally, sir. Like we should, is it compulsory to put like if it's in minus sign, is it compulsory to put like plus and then put a bracket minus number?
Yes. It is a
Or we
step.
can directly write it.
No, you make a habit of doing like this because you will get confused what is what plus where is minus and you'll mess up. So always have a habit of writing what is x, what is y, and what is z with their sign, and then you write like this plus bracket minus 2. So you know kid actually y is minus 2y, not 2y. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So based on this, I will give you one question. Very easy question. Question is x plus y minus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy plus yz plus zx. Quickly.
Sir, done.
Okay.
Sir, done.
We're done.
Just raise your hand. Please raise your hand. Yes, Nidhi. What's your answer?
X cube plus y cube minus z cube plus 3xyz.
Very good. That's the correct answer.
So same.
Just explain, Nidhi, how and what you did.
First, we can write it as x plus y
X plus y.
plus minus z.
Okay.
So x is x, y is y, and z is minus z.
So x is x, y is y, and z is minus z.
So it will be in the second bracket x square plus y square plus minus z square minus x into y minus y into minus z minus z into x. So we can write it as the formula. So x cube plus y cube plus minus z cube minus 3 into x into y into minus z, which is x cube plus y cube minus z cube plus 3xyz.
Anyone has any doubt?
Sir, can you factorize it further? Like z cube and
Z
is
cube?
compulsory?
No, this is the final answer.
Oh,
Go
okay.
ahead. You want to factor s cube plus y cube?
No, you can't.
Then
No,
what
sir.
I'm asking you what you're telling. I didn't understand. That's
So
why.
z cube and 3xyz, we can take z common and then z square plus.
You can keep it here also. It's not a big
Yeah.
thing.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm giving you one more question. Quickly solve it. Others who couldn't do it, hope this you understood the solution. Next question is 3x minus 5y plus 4. Okay. So this will be ठीक है 9x square plus 25y square plus 15xy minus 20y plus 12x plus 16.
So,
Yes.
is it minus 20y only?
Yes, it's minus 20y.
Okay.
Sir, I got it.
Okay, raise your hand. Tarun, can you send it to on my WhatsApp? Not
Sir?
on WhatsApp, on chat. Your answer.
My answer.
On chat.
Yes, I'm sending.
Sir, I'm done. Can I send?
Wait. You have also done. Sanjana, you have done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sanjana, and Vidyut, you also send on chat.
Or even I am done.
Sir, how will we send the powers
Disconnected.
on
What
chat?
should I do, sir?
Okay, so then wait. Yes, Sanjana, what's your answer?
So 27x cube minus 125y cube plus 16 plus 180xy.
Just missed. Like, one figure is missed. You recheck your answer. Now,
Okay, sir.
Tarun, you tell me your answer.
Can
Sir, I got it 27x cube minus 125y cube plus 64 plus 180xy.
Very good. Correct answer. Tarun.
I? Yes, sir.
Sanjana,
Same
you
as
did
well.
16 instead of, you did square instead of cube.
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it, Sanjana?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Tarun. Explain.
3x equal to 3x,
X is equals to 3x
y is equal to minus 5y,
minus 5y.
z is equal to 4.
Z is equals to 4.
4.
Yes.
So we can write minus 9x square, right? 3x square.
So we'll write it like this: 3x
X
plus
square.
minus 5y
Yes, sir.
plus
4.
4. Correct?
And back.
Then
Yes, sir. And then
3x square.
square. Then we write plus and then bracket minus 5y the whole square. Then again plus bracket for the whole square. That will be minus sign. Then it will be x into y minus 3x into minus 5y. That will be minus into minus 5y into 4. Then we'll write it minus 4 into 3x.
Minus
So
4
my doubt
into
is here only.
minus 4 into
3x.
3x.
Yes,
So
sir.
how is minus 5y into 4 minus 20y? Because minus into minus plus, right?
Wait. We'll see. I have not done this. Let me see. Let me see. So you have written 3x square minus 5y the whole square plus 16 minus x into y, that is 3x minus 5y minus 5y into 4 minus 4 into 3x. Correct? So is it equals to this? Let's see. 3x minus 5y plus 4. Now 9x square. This is plus 25y square plus 16. Then this is
X,
15. This is plus 15xy.
y,
This is plus
20.
20y minus 12x. So how come, Tarun? This is 20x. You are telling 20x, and here it is minus 20x. So
We have to change the sign.
you took the question. Yes, Srinidhi was right. How come minus? RS Agarwal mein, when I have sent you already, you change it to plus. Good, Srinidhi. RS Agarwal question. This question is 3G question number 4. Please everyone mark it as plus, not minus. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And this will be as minus, na?
Yes,
This will
sir.
be
Yes,
minus.
sir.
This will be minus, not plus. So other way around they have done. Now this is 3x
The
cube
whole cube
plus
plus minus 5y the whole cube plus 4 the whole cube. And then into minus 3 into 3x to minus 5y into 4.
this is plus 5 for the 20, 6, 120, na? Isn't it? 3 into 3x, this is what 3x into minus 5y plus 5 for the 20 and 3 to the 6 plus 120 xy. Correct. So,
That's
and
180.
180, sorry, 180 xy. So correct. Yes. So here you have to change the sign in your question. Is it clear to everyone?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I was disconnected. Can you just explain the second last step?
So here what we did, same thing, 3x square x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into x into y into z, and we have already find out what is x, y and z. So minus 3x, y, z, and then finally this will become 27x cube, this will become minus 125 y cube, this will become 64, and this will become plus 180 xy.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So next type of question. So what we were doing in that formula, again I will write formula. Yes, somebody has to come and write me formula for me. Yes, Ashita. Ashita,
Yes, sir.
camera on and write me the formula. This identity. Can you help me writing this identity? Camera on. Again. Yes. Tell me identity.
Which one?
The one which I am teaching.
Um, x cube
X cube,
plus y cube
y cube
plus z cube
plus z cube
minus
minus.
3xyz.
Okay. Forgot? ठीक है. You need see in your notebook and tell me now.
So which one?
This one. Complete it. You would have written it, na? In the beginning only I gave you the identity. You have not written.
Yes, I wrote
Tell me.
is equal to x plus y
Hmm.
plus z
Hmm.
into x square
Hmm.
plus y square
Okay.
plus z square
Z square.
minus xy minus yz
Hmm.
minus zx.
ठीक है. Okay. Switch off your mic now. Camera also. So we did. In first type question was from here to here. You were whatever expression is given, you have to write it like this, and then you can this way. Now the next type of question is from here to here. See, 8x cube plus y cube plus 27x cube might, it should be z cube, 27z cube, 8x cube plus y cube plus 27z cube minus 18xyz. Okay, so you can see something like this. Can we write it like 2x cube plus y cube z cube minus 3 into 2x 2y 3z. So this is 3 to the 6, 6 3 is 18 xyz, 18 xyz. We got it. So we can write it like this. 2x plus y plus 3z equals to 2x square plus y square plus z square minus xy. So what is x? 2x y minus y z minus z x. Can we write it like this? Any doubt anyone has? So, what here it is, this is x, y, z. 3 into x, y, z. So I have written like this. So finally, can we write 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 2xy minus 3yz minus 6xz. Is it clear? The other way around, from left hand side, LHS to RHS in the formula. Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, in the step 2x plus y plus 3z, the second last step. So 2x is x, y is y, and z is 3z.
Yes.
So
X is 2x. I have actually didn't write it. X is equals to 2x, y is equals to y, and z is equals to 3z. Tell me.
yeah, sir. Now in the question, it is given x plus y plus z in one bracket, and in the second bracket, it's given x square plus y square plus z square. So z square should be 3z, right? Because z we have
Okay,
taken as
yes,
3z.
yes. Good, very good. 9. So this is 3. 9, very good. 9z square. And here it will be, this is okay. Correct. 3, 2, x, y, z, and z, and x. Okay. Yes. Good, Ritvi. Any doubt? Next question I'll do. Same type. A cube minus 8b cube minus 64c cube minus 24abc. So here x is equals to a, y is equals to, y will be equals to minus 2b, z will be equals to minus 4c. So this is, can we write it in this form? A cube plus of minus 2 b cube plus of minus 4c cube minus 3a, and then, so this is a cube, this is b cube. So this, just to cross verify, I'm doing writing it, a cube minus 8b cube minus 64c cube minus 4 to the 8 to the 24 abc. Correct? So both are matching, so there is no difference. So we can write it like this. Now expanding it, I mean in factors, how we can write it? X plus y plus z, right? So a plus minus 2b plus minus 4c, then a plus x plus y will be x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz and minus zx, right? So how can we write it? X square is a square plus plus minus minus AB minus BC and minus 4C into A. A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC and minus CA. So final answer will be any one of you. Yes, Ritvi, tell me the final answer.
Sir, x.
X nahi, yeah, यहाँ पे this is what you have written. Now tell me the final answer.
Sir, x plus y.
Where is X? I have written it, Ritvi. This is X plus Y plus Z, X square, Y square, Z square minus XY minus YZ minus ZX. I'm telling you to finally write it. This is, you can write it A minus 2B minus 4C, A square plus 4B square plus 16C square. This is minus plus 2AB. Here it is plus minus 8BC plus 4AC. Can we write it like this?
Okay, sir. Got it.
Got it? Any doubt anyone has? No doubt. So do one question based on this. Question is 125 A cube plus B cube plus 64 C cube minus 60 ABC.
Sir, done.
Raise your
Sir,
hand.
done.
Raise your hand. Yes, Ayush,
Yes, sir.
tell me your answer.
So the answer is 5a plus b plus 4c. In other brackets, 25a square plus b square plus 16c square minus 5ab minus 4bc minus 20ac.
Very good. Good. Explain.
First, you need to take 125a cube as 5a the whole cube,
So we can write it as X is as
5a
5A
the
whole
whole
cube.
cube.
Hmm.
Then b as b cube. No, and then Z as like 4C the whole cube.
Not 4C the whole cube. Z is 4C.
Yeah,
So
4.
you can
So
write. Tell me.
5A the whole cube plus B cube plus 4C the whole cube minus 3
Sorry.
uh, minus 3
Minus
3
3
then 5A
5A.
B and 4C.
Yes, correct. So this is in the form of this. So if you multiply 5 4 is 20, 20 into 3 60 minus 60 ABC, which is matching. Correct. Now
So then you need to take 5A. We need to put it in that identity and then take as 5A plus B plus 4C and then 5A the whole square plus B square plus 4C the whole square minus 5A 5A into B minus 4C into B.
mean 5A into B, then B into 4C.
Yeah, B into 4C and then again minus 4A into 5C.
4A नहीं है, 4C into 5A.
4C
Correct.
into 5A, yes sir.
Okay. 5A plus B plus 4C, 25A square plus B square plus 16C square minus 5AB minus 4BC minus 20CA. Good. Got it. So understood, right hand side to left hand side and left hand side to right hand side. I'll give you one more question. Question is 2 under root 2 a cube plus 8b cube minus 27 c cube plus 18 under root 2 a b c. You have done this type of question actually. This root wala. Last time I taught you. Do it. Others, what happened? Kaushal,
Sir.
did you understand?
Yes, sir. Sir, but this one I didn't.
This one means this one or previous one?
Sir, this one.
This one you do it. You have done na, this type of under root question.
So sorry, sir, I got disconnected. So what should
Sir,
we do?
you have to do this question.
Sir, done.
Done. Okay. Anybody else?
Just in 15 seconds.
Okay, 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Done, Tarun.
Sir, few more seconds.
Okay. Deepika done. Good, good, good. Others, raise your hand.
Sir, I need 5 more minutes, sir.
5 more minutes. The
I just came.
science
I
class
just
will
came.
start. You tell ma'am your answer then.
So got it.
Got it. Good. Srinidhi, Deepika, Nidhi, Vaibhavi, Tarun. Others. Ayush also has come. Very good. What happened, Arinjay, Lohit? Today I have not heard your voice.
So 1 minute.
1 minute. Nitin, Sanjana, you are also. This is the test of your previous concept, this question. Ashita, okay. So I'll give chance to Vaibhavi. Can you tell me your answer?
Yes, sir. It's under root 2a
Hmm.
plus 2b
Hmm.
minus 3c.
Hmm.
2 plus,
2 plus
sorry, and 2a
2a
plus 4,
plus
2a square, I mean.
2 square.
2a square
2a square. Okay. 2a square.
plus 4b square
Okay.
minus 9c square
Okay.
plus under root 2ab
Plus under root 2ab. Okay.
no plus 2 under root 2ab
Plus 2 under root 2ab.
AB
Acha.
minus 6bc
Uh,
minus 3 under root 2ac.
you have done a very silly mistake somewhere. Next is Deepika. Or I don't know whether the answer is wrong. I'll solve it, then only I'll understand. But as of now, it seems that your there's some silly mistake. Deepika, your answer? Deepika is nowhere. Srinidhi.
So can I please?
Wait, Srinidhi has to answer.
Root 2a
Yes.
plus 2b
Okay.
minus 3c
Okay.
into 2a square plus 4b square plus 9c square minus 2 root 2ab plus 6 plus 3 root 2ac.
Yes. So the answer
So that's
is
the answer I
correct.
got. That's the answer I got.
Vaibhavi, you have done minus plus mistakes. Yes, Srinidhi. Solve it.
So 2 root 2a cube can be written as root 2a the whole cube.
So you are telling 2 root 2 can be written as under root 2a the whole cube. Okay. Plus 2
whole
b.
cube.
So z is equal to minus 3c.
Minus 3c.
Sorry, minus 3. Yes. And this one as?
Plus minus 3c the whole cube.
Okay. Minus
3 into root 2a into 2b into minus 3c. So now we can, this is equal to 2 root 2a cube. So now we can write it in the form of x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So 2 root 2a square can be written as 2a square.
minus under root 2a into 2b minus 2b into minus 3c minus 3c minus of minus 3c into under root 2a. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So this finally we can write it as under root 2a plus 2b minus 3c into 2a square plus 4b square plus 9c square minus 2 under root 2ab plus 6bc plus 3 under root 2ac. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Vaibhavi, did you find where you have done mistake?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So with this we have done 3 type of question in this. One type actually is left out. So you are supposed to finish 3G till till 22. Okay, 3G till 22. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now ma'am will come for science class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.